Former medical superintendent of Reams and former Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch Chairman Dr. MOHEN expressed disappointment over the failure of government's attempt to ensure free movement on highways of Manipur. He alleged that the state DGP and security advisor have failed to fulfill their duty, and due to which the push of Union Home Minister Amit Shah to reopen highways did not achieve. Dr. MOHEN, along with his son-in-law LAINGAM, had boarded a Senapati-bound bus of MST from the Imphal airport yesterday. However, they could not reach their destination due to the protest taken out by Kuki people. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club in Imphal today, MOHEN commented that as senior citizen, he had decided to go to Senapati on the MST bus to find out if the highway is secure enough to travel, following the assurance of Amit Shah on free movement. He informed that he, along with his son-in-law, had returned safely from Kaithal Manbi to Imphal last evening with heavy security. Furthermore, Dr. MOHEN had also expressed displeasure over the lack of adequate security arrangements prior to the departure of MST bus. He appealed to people to refrain from posting unnecessary photos and videos on social media. MOHEN expressed gratitude to security forces for safely guiding him and his son-in-law till Imphal.